Good day everyone. Hope everyone's doing amazing. In today's lesson, we are going to be discussing a new topic called algebra. Now you might ask yourself, sir, what is algebra? In mathematics, algebra is a secret code or a secret language perhaps that uses letters, numbers that show rules and patterns to solve problems. So instead of using only numbers like 4, 5, and 6 to represent expressions, we use letters like A, X, and Y. And what do they represent? They represent unknown values. Let's make a quick note there. Unknown. Okay. Now I know that might sound a bit confusing, but let's work on a few examples so we have a better understanding. So if I have to give you a sum like 3 plus 2 equals 5. That's pretty basic, no? We can all understand that, right? What happens if we flip the script now? What if I put x plus 2 equals 5? And if I tell you to solve for x, what is x? So let's break this down. To understand this, we know the answer is 5 and we need to know what is x. So we're gonna reverse the whole thing. Put 5 minus 2 equals 3. So now x would equal 3. Not so difficult now that we've broken it up now. So as you can see, sometimes in mathematics, we don't just need to find the missing number. We have to make these expressions easier to understand. So x plus 2 equals 5. By simplifying it in this way, we make it easier to understand. So let's move on to another one. Today's lesson, we are going to visit Mr. Adam's fruit market. And you'll notice that this isn't any ordinary fruit market. He has boxes and boxes of fruit, and when you enter his shop, you'll notice that he has price tags, and these price tags aren't normal price tags. They have like a secret code on it. So let me write the first code. So you'll notice the first code is 2 open brackets x plus 3 close brackets. So you might think to yourself, how can we understand this? Normal people can't, but we are different. We are mathematicians. We learned the secret code of algebra. We know how to understand this. So what we're going to do first, we're going to break this up. And how we're going to do it is, you'll see this 2 on the outside. You'll see this 2 on the outside represents these 2 boxes. Represents these 2 boxes of Mr. Adam. So let's draw it. There's one box. There's a second box. So what this means is we have 2 boxes here, and this is representing the 2. And in each box is 3. Okay? So let's draw the oranges. 1, 2, 3. So if he has this in one box and the same is in this box, how many oranges do you think he have? Correct. He have 6. But now, how would we solve for it? 2 2 times 3 equals 6. And then 2 plus, let's switch colors, so it'll be 2 times x. But you'll notice what we done was very wrong. And what we did was very wrong is the fact that the expressions, the x, the unknown values, has to always be first. So let's rewrite it as the answer. So it will be 2x plus 6. And that's your answer. Easy, not so bad now. Before we move on to the last task, let's do one more example so that we all are on the same page. Let's do something different. Let's say 4a plus 5a minus 2. That's tricky, we never worked with subtraction before. So, what this means is, imagine if we have a bag with 4 apples and we have another bag with 5 apples, and then we have, let's just draw this first so we can understand. So if we have 4 apples and here we have 5 apples. But now, a naughty monkey came and snatched 2 away. But not from these 2, just another 2. So they stole that. So how would we write this? 4 plus 5 is 9. 9a minus 2. And there you go. And finally, to wrap up this lesson, Mr. Adam has asked us if we can help him organize his labels, because it doesn't say 50 rand, it doesn't say 30 rand. It's algebraic expressions that only mathematicians like us can solve. So let's write the first one. Oh, there's not really a lot of space, but okay, we'll write it here. Okay, so the first one is 2x plus 3. The second one, 4a plus 5a minus 4. The third one can be 3 open brackets y minus 4. And for the last 2, it will be 7m minus 2m plus 9. And for the fifth one, 5 open bracket p plus 6 minus 3p. Okay, so let's take a closer look at these numbers, these sums that we're going to have to do now. But other than that, we've come to the end of the video and end of this lesson. Please let me know if so. We have reached the end of this lesson, and before we start with this, open up your books and you are gonna write down the meaning of algebra, write down these examples, and then you can start with these sums. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.